Which among the following policy of life insurance company is related to regular old age pension? A. Jeevan Kishore. B. Jeevan Thaya. C. New Jeevan Anand. D. Saral Pension Yojana. The correct answer is D. Saral Pension Yojana. The decimal system of Indian currency was started in A. 1950, B. 1955, C. 1957, D. 1960. The correct answer is C. 1957. The Indian economy can be most appropriately described as A. Capitalist economy, B. Socialist economy, C. Traditional economy, D. Mixed economy. The correct answer is D. Mixed economy. Under which Act policy is the BIFA established? A. Industrial Policy of 1980, B. Companies Act, C. Sikh Industrial Companies Act, D. MRTP Act. The correct answer is C. Sikh Industrial Companies Act. RBI does not transact the business of which of the following state government? A. Nagaland, B. Assam, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is C. Jammu and Kashmir. Which amidst the following bank was recently converted to a universal bank? A. Corporation Bank, B. Bank of Baroda, C. IDBI Bank, D. Canara Bank. The correct answer is C. IDBI Bank. Which amidst the following bank was converted to a universal bank recently? A. Punjab National Bank, B. ICICI Bank, C. UTI Bank, D. IndusInd Bank. The correct answer is B. ICICI Bank. Who has provided the saving bank facility to the largest number of account holders in India? A. State Bank of India, B. Punjab National Bank, C. Allahabad Bank, D. Post Office. The correct answer is D. Post Office. The symbol of Reserve Bank of India is A. Capitol of Asoka Pillar, B. Kuber with a purse of money, C. Tiger before a palm tree, D. A dog sitting in a defensive state. The correct answer is C. Tiger before a palm tree. For whom was the first departmental life insurance stated? A. Army, B. Civil officers of central government, C. Employees of postal department, D. Life Insurance Corporation. The correct answer is C. Employees of postal department. The main source of revenue for a state government in India is A. Sales tax, B. Excise duty, C. Income tax, D. Property tax. The correct answer is A. Sales tax. The proceeds of income tax go to A. Central government, B. State government, C. Central and state government, D. Corporation authorities. The correct answer is C. Central and state government. Which amidst the following rural banks has been named after a river? A. Parthma Bank. B. Varada Grameen Bank. C. Thar Antlik Grameen Bank. D. Aravali Kshetriya Grameen Bank. The correct answer is B. Varada Grameen Bank. Which of the following is an open market operation of the RBI? A. Buying and selling of shares. B. Trading in securities. C. Transactions in gold. D. Lending to commercial banks. The correct answer is B. Trading in securities. Which bank was merged in the Punjab National Bank in February 2003? A. Catholic Syrian Bank Ltd. B. Nainital Bank Ltd. C. Nedugri Bank Ltd. D. Madurai Bank Ltd. The correct answer is C. Trading in securities. The receipts of which of the following taxes duties are not shared with the states? A. Tax on income except agriculture. B. Corporation tax. C. Surcharge on income tax. D. Capital gain tax. The correct answer is A. Tax on income except agriculture. The national income of a country is A. Government annual revenue. B. Total productive income. C. Surplus of the public sector enterprise. D. Export, loan, import. The correct answer is B. Total productive income. The famous slogan, Garibi Hatao, Remove Poverty, was launched during the A. First 5-year plan, 1951 to 56. B. Second 5-year plan, 1956 to 61. C. Third 5-year plan, 1961 to 66. D. Fourth 5-year plan, 1966 to 71. The correct answer is D. Fourth 5-year plan, 1966 to 71. Where is the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade located? A. New Delhi. B. Hyderabad. C. Mumbai. D. Ahmedabad. The correct answer is A. New Delhi. Where is the biggest private sector power project in India located? A. Rajmundry in Andhra Pradesh. B. Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. C. Korba in Madhya Pradesh. D. Dabhol in Maharashtra. The correct answer is A. Rajmundry in Andhra Pradesh. NABARD is the name of A. Commercial bank. B. Financial institution. C. Specialized bank to help agriculture. D. Non-banking financial institution. The correct answer is C. Specialized bank to help agriculture. Fiscal policy in concerned with A. Public revenue. B. Public expenditure and debt. C. Bank rate policy. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is D. Both A and B. Which of the following is the largest employer in India? A. Food Corporation of India. B. Posts and Telegraphs Department. C. Indian Railways. D. Steel Authority of India. The correct answer is C. Indian Railways. The Reserve Bank of India issues currency note under A. fixed fiduciary system, B. maximum fiduciary system, C. minimum reserve system, D. proportional reserve system. The correct answer is C. minimum reserve system. The financial capital of India is A. Mumbai, B. Chennai, C. Delhi, D. Chandigarh. The correct answer is B. Mumbai. Chairman of the 11th Finance Commission was A. Deepak Parekh, B. Vijay Kelkar, C. A.M. Khusro, D. Manmohan Singh. The correct answer is C. A.M. Khusro. Which of the following is not an industrial finance institution? A. UTI, B. ICICI, C. NABARD, D. SFCs. The correct answer is C. NABARD. Which Indian private sector company has the largest sales turnover? A. Tata Sons, B. Reliance Industries, C. ITC Limited, D. Hindustan Lever Limited. The correct answer is B. Reliance Industries. The largest source of revenue to the union government is A. Income tax, B. Central excise duty, C. Customs duty, D. Wealth tax. The correct answer is B. Central excise duty. In which sector of the Indian economy is productivity the highest? A. Manufacturing, B. Transport, communication and commerce, C. Agriculture, D. Other sector. The correct answer is A. Manufacturing.